I'm so excited. We're doing Pascal. Everybody loves Pascal, right? Right? I do. So excited. Anyways, let's get started. What we're gonna start with, the shape, it almost looks like a sideways raindrop. So let's start off in this little corner here, and then we're gonna come down, bring it around. Let's go this side, come over, almost straight at the top, bring it down and connect it. Okay, doesn't that look like, if you look sideways, bum ba da bum, giant raindrop. But what we're going to do is now we are gonna do, let's do his big old lip. Do you see that lip right there? It's gonna be sticking out. So we're gonna do a lip here. It's just gonna go straight out. I want you to come bring it over, and then we want this to connect, so then it's just gonna go smooth into that. So you guys can erase in there because his little bottom lip just sticks out like that. So cute. Okay, then we're gonna bring this up, and then just he's got this smirk going on. Oh, yep, looks like he's been into mischief or something, or he knows a good secret. All right, we're gonna do his little eyeball. It's an egg shape, like an oval over here. I'm gonna make this go over just a little bit. Do you guys see how I just went over that? And you can erase in there. And his eyes, we're gonna make it come out like this. This is like his eyelash. And in there, we're making his eyeball. Oh yes, that looks awesome. Put the shiny in there and his giant pupil. Okay, we're gonna color that in. I didn't use Sharpie on these because he's along the lines of a princess, and I like to just use colored pencils for that. So we're gonna do the other eye. Actually, let's do his eyebrow. So it's gonna go right along this edge here, but it's gonna go up and over. And then this part, it's gonna go whoop, whoop, whoop. Funky little eyebrow there. We'll end up coloring that in, but I never looked at his eyebrow too close, but I thought that was pretty cool. So he has another piece of his eyebrow. It's gonna come in like this, I guess fairly close. And the very end, they're a little bit thicker down here. Okay, and then now let's do his giant eye. We're not gonna do the whole thing because it has the eyebrow. So we're gonna do part of it. If you want, you can do the whole thing and then we'll just erase some. If you want, that's great. And then you want to comparable. So the lines here, so you want to make this kind of close to the same. I probably went too far there. You can go over here a little bit. Okay, so the color of his eye. There it goes. And then we want the shiny in there and his pupil. Oh yes, yes, Bob. Okay, he's got this amazing eyebrow. It's gonna come down like this, go over. Do you see how this goes over that? So now we can erase, we don't want that in there. And his eyebrow on this side is gonna be like a scallop dipped. 1, 2, 3, and it just comes down. Fantastic, totally good. So we've got some fun facts. As we know, Pascal is Rapunzel's pet chameleon and a major character in the movie. But as if you know, you've seen the other Rapunzel movies, you'll know that Pascal wasn't always Rapunzel's sidekick. Originally, do you guys remember what it was? A squirrel. Yep. There wasn't any Pascal, there was a squirrel. And they changed it before production and they made it to not a green chameleon, a purple chameleon. Then eventually it came to green chameleon named Pascal. Phew, phew. Good thing, huh? Yep. Okay, let's get its body in there. So it's almost, we're gonna give its big poofy chest in here. And then bring it up. So it almost looks like an egg. Loop. But then we're gonna bring this down. We're gonna put this big honky donkey tail in here. Okay, so you're gonna bring this out. Whee! So right off there, we're gonna put a big tail. Super job. Then we're gonna make this part get connected. So we can erase this part right here. Excellent. Good job. Okay, so he's got these awesome legs coming out. If you've never seen a chameleon in real life, they've got just two legs. They clamp on to trees and such. I love going to pet stores and watching the chameleons. They are just my favorite thing to look at, move around. So then now right off of here, do you see how it's a little skinnier here, and it's gonna get a slight bit thicker. So right here, we're just gonna make it slight bit thicker and just a slight thicker. Now we can put in, it's gonna come out, and this one's gonna come out. All right, so we can erase in there. Super job. And right back here, you can barely see it. He's got his other back leg there. Now we got to get this one. This could be a little trickier. So from right about here, we're going to come up and come down. Don't go all the way. And then right in the middle here, you want to come down just where that ends. And then erase in there so it goes away. Probably can erase in here too. Now we're going to put its foot in there. So it's going to come down. And then of course it just goes in and then out. Excellent. I also, oh, we cannot forget, look at the back spikes and its pattern. So right here, he's got this cool pattern. And I put a shadow under there. And let's see, oh, right there, the spikes on the back. So you're just gonna go bloop, bloop, bloop. All right, so what I'm gonna have you guys do, these are the colors that I've used. Got light brown, dark green, which is just regular green. We have a light blue, yellow green, black, and yellow. Let's start with the eyes, just because I love them so much. So I want you to take the dark green. Let's go over the eyes. Go hard around the outside. We're not using any Sharpie today. We're just gonna use the colored pencils. So go around the outside here. And then under here, make it a little darker. And then on the edges, make it darker. And as you come in, you wanna press lighter, making this more rounded. And then it's gonna go lighter. Oh, that looks good. Okay. Also, we can go underneath here. Excellent job. And his eyebrows, we're gonna go, oops, kind of went over the lines there. And then I'm gonna color this in. Probably a little darker than I would. Yeah, I'm just gonna color it in dark. So we're gonna put some black in there, okay? So now I want you guys to take the black, and this is gonna be like his eyelashes. So make it a little thicker at the top here. Nice and thick. Then you wanna make the pupil black, of course. And we go around the circle, and then I outlined it, kind of outlined it. Mainly more on the outside darker and then a little less pressure. So on the inside, how I did this, I'm gonna color brown here, and then it's gonna fade out. I'm gonna put in yellow. Brown, and then fade out. And you're gonna get this touch of yellow right here. Oh, I also wanted to get gray. Let me get gray out of there. Come here, Mr. Gray. Okay. Right here, so underneath here, I'm gonna give it a shadow. I might even put like a little mark here. Okay, it makes it look like a little eyeball. Okay, excellent job. I think I'm gonna put a little extra brown in there. Make it harder. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other eyeball. All right, so chameleons have eyes that can swivel. So when you guys go to the pet store, you gotta check out the eyeballs. They can swivel in different directions at the same time. It is so cool. It almost looks like they're a little bit crazy, but it's so cool. And what else do we know? Ooh, a panther chameleon can change its color to yellow or red when it's angry. So if you can imagine Pascal, when it's angry, it's turning yellow and red. That's what a panther chameleon does. I've seen mostly chameleons at the store. They look either green or brown, but that's cool. All right, I lightly went over that. I'm gonna go over the eyebrow dark. Also, let's see, I need to go over this one dark. And then I made a little kind of knobber at the end. It's almost like it's a little nostril there. And so I'm gonna do. Okay, so just like before, I want you to take your black. You're gonna go over like the eyelashes here. Excellent. Do the circle, do the pupil. What else did I learn? When chameleon is cold, it will become dark in color. For dark colors attract heat better than light. Very interesting. Okay, so as I did before, get your light brown, do darker at the center, and then you lighten it up. Darker at the center, lighten up. And then now we're just doing that burst of yellow. And I'm gonna come in with the gray. When I like to draw, I love keeping all the pencils I'm using in my hand, so I'm just like boop, 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 boop. It's just easier to use. That's a habit I've gotten into, and I just hold my finger like this, and just how I draw. Excellent. So what I'm gonna do now, let's take a little bit of that black, see on his eyebrows there? We're gonna just accentuate it. So go along the bottom here and give it a little bit of black under there. Might make it pop out a little more. Oh, it looks like I gave a little bit of black around here, the edge here. Okay. All right, let's take that lovely dark. Was it just a regular green? It's just darker than the other ones. Let's go around the outside. I love how his lips is all pouty. All right, across the top. Okay, make it go across the bottom. Okay, so how I did this, I'm gonna push down darker on the edge, and as I'm coming in, I'm gonna make it lighter in the middle, and then I'm gonna actually take the yellow green and then color in it more, just to give it to more, just depth to it than it's just one solid color. It'll look better that way. I guess if I had to have a reptile, I love turtles and I would love a chameleon. Snakes, no thank you. I am petrified of snakes. I know there's some snakes that are not poisonous, but they still scare the EBGBs out of me. Yep. So scary. Okay, I'm gonna go along the top here a little darker. And then I'm just gonna color this part lighter. And then we'll come in with the yellow. Okay, so come in with the yellow green. And let's go another direction. See how this it just really brings it out. Warms it up a little bit. I'm just gonna go over all of it. I might even go over some spots a little bit darker with it, but that's right now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm even gonna go over the eyeballs so they look like they match. They're supposed to be part of it, yes. Okay, so if you want, just go over around the edge a little bit darker with your yellow green. And I'm gonna go along the top part up here a little bit more. Okay, excellent, look at its face. Okay, so with the body, I'm gonna go around, make it dark edge here with that green. Looks like I put a little black in there too, but we'll first start with the green. And then this is gonna be that darker green. So we're gonna go around that, and then I'm gonna press harder around the edge, and as I come in, I'm gonna press lighter. Hope you guys can't see, I have a baseball hat on. I'm always wearing a baseball hat. Why? Because I hate doing my hair. So sometimes you can see the bill because I forget to take it off. Oops. Okay, darker around the edges. And I'll make those lighter. And let's go around this guy. Great job. All right. I also love the horse in Tangled. He's got the best character too. Okay, so I'm just gonna, see how I press down harder right here, and I'm going lighter. I'm gonna, oh, definitely this is gonna be darker back here. And his underbelly, we'll make it darker and then have it go lighter. We'll go in with the yellow green in a second. I'm just doing like a base coat of regular green, and then I'll do some more colors. Ooh, it's starting to lose its power on one side. Okay, I'm gonna go around the outside here. I wasn't going to, but I am. So now take the yellow green. We're gonna make this yellow green in here. I'm just pressing down hard on this. And with the yellow green, I'm gonna make the tips of his toes, pushing down harder, and then I'll go finish coloring the whole thing. Same thing over here. Great job. And I'm just gonna go over his whole body. Maybe darker on the edge here. Darker underneath here. Looking good. And so I'm gonna lightly just go over the rest of it. Make sure you go the opposite direction than your other pencil, just so it fills it in a little better. Ooh, my hands are getting tired. Woo! Has that ever happened to you? You just color and color and color, and whew, you're like, I need a break. Color, 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 color. But you're like, I'm almost done. I could do this. Okay, I'm gonna push down harder along the bottom here. Probably did that with the other color. And then I'm gonna do just a touch of black here, just in some spots. So maybe I'm gonna do a little black on the underbelly, black down here. Just to get little different spots if you wanna put black. And then you guys can go in and give it the black shadow. I'm just gonna put in some spots. And anywhere else you wanna do black. And then I did a nice little blue background. Have an awesome day.